Hey guys, Justin with Ready Business Systems, and today I'm going to be going over this RBS Getting Started package. So this Getting Started package is going to contain several templates to get you started. The first thing is this RBS lead capture form. So I'm sure you've heard of it being done before, but if you're not currently using it, you may have a regular contact form on your website that gets emailed to you, and then you have to copy and paste these leads into SA. Well, this isn't a good use of your time. It's not efficient. There is a way that you can have a form that they fill that out, and their information they type in as is directly creates a lead in the Service Autopilot system. So that's the simplest, the most efficient way to do that, and we have that included in this package. We also have a credit card form. So you may use the client portal functionality within Service Autopilot. You have to log in, update your credit card. It's not so simple. This credit card form is a quick update, so it just pops up a form that just asks their credit card information. It saves it right in their account, so it skips the client portal, and this comes in handy. I'll show you why in more detail moving forward. We also have an estimate document bundle. So if you're not currently using the estimate feature in Service Autopilot, this is going to include 3 documents, this bundle. There's an estimate grid which runs in the back end, but we also have an estimate document, which is the actual document that they'll see. You also get an estimate email that it says, here's your proposal, click this link, that type of thing, and we'll go into that. And also an estimate confirmation email, so once they accept the proposal, say thank you for accepting your proposal. So there's three documents that go into that. We also have a new client welcome email. So this just gives general terms how you run your company. It also has a credit card update link. So these are basically made to work with this credit card form. So this new client welcome email, you'll insert the credit card update form, and then they can update their credit card right from within that document. They don't have to go through the client portal. We also have a credit card declined with a credit card update link. So again, same thing. They don't have to go through a client portal. They just click a link, and then it has Visa, MasterCard, the credit card number saved, and that's it. Very simple for them to update it. So before you get to using this package, there are a couple steps you're going to have to do to integrate this stuff into your account to make it work. And to get this package, all you're going to do is hit this download button, enter the code. And we're inside the marketplace here. It's under this menu here. It says marketplace, and then this RBS Getting Started package, you're going to locate that, click the download button, and we'll give you the download code to download this into your account. So once you download it, it's going to download these things into your account. And we do need to get this set up. So first thing is you're going to click this little settings icon. You're going to go to estimate settings. And in here, you need to click this allow signature capture on view my proposal. This will enable the signature line. So when you send a proposal to your clients, they can sign on the line and type their name to approve it. This enables that functionality to work. The other thing you have to do is make sure, if you don't already have your credit card processing set up, you're going to need to get that set up, because obviously you can't set up credit card processing without having a credit card processor. So again, under the settings menu, you're going to go to integrations. You're going to open that up, and you're going to enter your information for your credit card processor. So Clearant is now part of Service Autopilot, and there is options like Blue Pay and that sort of thing they're trying to phase out, but you're going to want to go to Clearant. You're going to set up an account. They're going to give you these login credentials you're going to save here to make the credit card processing work. And that's all you're going to need to do. You get that from them. So once those are set up, you can now use this package. So you're going to notice some documents were created. This is under settings, documents, and you're going to see all your email documents here. This credit card declined. This is the email that you will send when you want someone to update their credit card because it was declined with that form. New client welcome email, I went over that briefly. We'll show you that in more detail. We also have the estimate email itself, which is going to say, here are your estimates attached, and we have the estimate document, which I'll show you. And you're going to want to edit this because it's not customized. It kind of has some stick figures in there. I'll show you. And the last one that's not shown here, but it will be when you download it, is an estimate confirmation email, which just says thank you for accepting your proposal, whatever you want to say in there. But this is how you're going to customize these documents I'm about to show you. It's under settings, documents. You open them up and customize them however you want. Some of them are good to go for the most part. Like I said, this estimate document definitely has to be updated. All right, so moving forward, this one is going to be the declined credit card email. Again, this form link is critical. Do not delete this. This is where they will click to update their credit card without going through the portal. This is the credit card declined email. This one is the welcome email. Here it's going to have both the update credit card quick link. So it says we require a credit card. You can change this however you want, get rid of it entirely. But this is going to be a quick link for them to update their credit card. And down below, it's going to insert their username and password for the client portal if you do use that functionality. So it'll give them their login credentials right in this welcome email. There's some good stuff in here. If you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it, then get rid of it, change it, whatever. But it's here for you if you'd like to use it. This document here, this is the actual estimate email. So from within here, quote link, this is going to be what they're going to click on to actually view their proposal. So you can say in here whatever you want. This one's good to go as is, or you can update it, change it, make revisions. But this is the email that's in there, and they're going to click it, which is going to actually pop up their proposal, which is this one. So this is what I was saying you're going to want to update, because it has these shadow figures. It says employee name, has X's for phone numbers. You're going to want to customize this. You can, if you're good with the document editor, there's some training material within Service Autopilot. You can learn how to use it, change this stuff however you want. Really easy. It's just a text editor, and you're going to want to save it. Do not change this as the estimate grid. Your estimates will not work if you mess around with this. There's some terms down here you can change or keep. And this is the signature line, so do not delete that. And again, in order for that to work, you need to enable that in the Service Autopilot estimate settings. So the other thing you're going to get is these forms. This is under marketing forms. This is where you're going to locate this. You're not going to want to change these much. You can if you want to, but they're good as is. You don't want to mess it up. So this enter update credit card form, you really don't need to touch. This one here, you're going to want to publish it. So in order to start using it, this is again to create your leads to enter them straight into Service Autopilot systems. This publish button here, you're going to want to click. This link right here is going to be the simplest way to start using this. Literally copy and paste this, and you're going to be able to see this form like this. And you can link this from your website. You can send it to people however you want to do it. But anyone who fills this out, it's going to create a lead on your website. If you're more savvy or you want your web developer to do it, you can use these different embed options to post it right in your website, inline on your website. But again, this is going to be the easiest way to get started. It'll work. You know, it's not the prettiest thing, but these are more advanced options if you'd like to integrate it into your website. So that's to create a lead. Moving forward, so once these people fill out, you have someone, you know, click here to request an estimate, they fill out this form, it's going to actually create this lead in your system. So in order to use these features that we mentioned, I'll show you the estimates first. So if you want to send them an estimate, you click this big add an estimate button, and the document that you downloaded is going to be this, the RBS estimate document. You're going to add in, again, there's a bunch of training. I'm not going to go into depth on this, but if you want to send the quote here, you can save it. You're going to email it. It's going to send the actual email documents with a signature line and that sort of thing to get started sending that proposal. So, and I'm going to move this so I can show you the next part. So that's how to send the proposals. It's going to send the estimate document you've seen, et cetera, et cetera. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to use those credit card update forms. So say the client accepts the proposal, you're going to go in here, insert document. So again, I'm clicking send email, insert document, and here's the documents that we have available to us. So you're going to be looking at these two, this credit card declined and new client update email. So in theory, if that client accepts the proposal, you want them to add their credit card, you can click this, it's going to enter this. And the next big important step is you need to select this form, enter update credit card information. So if you send it without adding that, the link is not going to work. So when you send that, it's going to have this form link is going to say click here to update your credit card information, and they will be able to update that right from the email within their account. And if their credit card gets declined, you can do the same thing, select credit card decline, make sure you enter this update, enter update credit card information, so this link works in the email. Also, this is a very simple version, just so you guys know it's complicated, and it is, but it's actually more simple once you get the automation set up. So all this stuff can be automated in our system, the RBS automations. We can automatically, when a proposal is sent, automatically send out the email, update their credit card, keep chasing them down until they update it. et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But once you build automations around this stuff, it works much better. This RBS03, this document is the actual update credit card email from our office automations. So, it will work as is, very simple. You get a lot of value from this because you can enter leads from that form. You can also do a quick credit card update. But definitely consider either building your own automations or contacting RBS to further use this functionality. All right, catch you guys next time. If you have any questions, post them below or visit the website at readybusinesssystems.com.